Madam President. I want to thank all of our staff that gave presentations this evening. Thank you, Dr. Hofer and Mr. Chode and the rest of the staff for giving us the information that we need to make prudent decisions for our children and for the school district writ large, and of course for the taxpayers of the Ocean View School District, who ultimately, our residents, our constituents that we work for. I'm pleased to see all the progress of the Measure R projects and the other various projects that are going on around the school district. Very pleased to see that Circle View is with the new air conditioning units with the ESSER funds. Very happy about that. And know that those units over at Circle View were in disrepair and then repair and then disrepair. It's just one of those things that's happening in the Ocean View School District. Ocean View has a long history. We've been around since 1874, the oldest, longest standing governmental agency in the area. In Huntington Beach, Fountain Valley, Westminster, Midway City, Newport Beach, Garden Grove. We were here before any other school district. And so what does that mean? It means that, over the years, our facilities were built, they aged, more were built. A lot of land was purchased in the 50s by Superintendent Peterson. And that's how we got up to the sites that we have now. And those sites were primarily built in the late 50s and the 60s. And, there was really no modernization. There was nothing at all. There was general upkeep, of course. Our staff always did that, but we never saw any modernization take place until after we passed this bond, Measure R in 2016. And it was a huge undertaking by a varied group of people, including parents in the community, teachers, principals, superintendent, deputy superintendent, so many of us board members as well. Madam President, when she was the PTO chair of the roundtable before she was on the board, she was involved in doing that. And so it passed, and we got to modernize the schools and many of our schools, and we are, really proud of that, because in all that time, over 147 years, there had never been a bond passed in the Ocean View School District. Never. But the residents, the parents, the grandparents, even those that don't have kids or grandkids or anybody attending the district, know the value of having excellent schools and having excellent facilities. And they passed that bond with just under 60%. That's phenomenal in what we would consider a very fiscally conservative school district. So I want to thank the voters of the Ocean View School District in 2016 and beyond for making it possible for us to have our kids in wonderful school sites. Thank you so much, Ocean View voters.